As a young adult, making money is hard. Most of the money that comes your way probably gets spent before it even gets to you. But what would you do if you had a side gig that pays you an extra $1,000 per week, or about $200 per day, in cold hard cash? More money than you've ever made in your entire life. You're probably thinking about all the nice things you could buy with that money. And surprise, surprise, it is absolutely possible for you to make an extra $1,000 every single week online, even if you are completely broke, without a dollar to your name. So in this video, I'll show you the top 3 apps that pay you real money, which are some of the easiest ways to make money online. And I'm gonna show you how it is done for absolutely free. Of course, no need to invest any money here. And the best part is that you can do this using the device you are watching this video with. That's right. There are apps that can pay you hundreds of dollars just for using them. One of the apps on my list today even pays you for simply having it installed on your device while you do nothing. So real quick, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Now let's get started. So the top 3 app on our list is Neocortex. This app literally pays you to do nothing on your smartphone. It even calls it easy money down here because you don't have to have a skill to make money here and you don't have to be some kind of expert. This app is going to pay you to use your smartphone's processor while you are not using it. Of course, they're not going to steal your information or get your data without your permission. All of this is absolutely legal. And it will generate you money in the background without you having to do any work at all. It's working all over the world. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific videos for your region in my future videos. Now, all you have to do is to literally head over to this website called neocortex.com and download it on the Google Play Store. You can see how much you can stand to make here. Absolutely passive income, and it is just a no-brainer to have an app like this installed on your device. But of course, the best way to make money online is with active income. So let me show you the top 2 app on our list that will pay you a lot more, which is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. It's owned by Amazon, and it actually pays you to do really simple tasks. Basically, you are a worker on this website, and they're gonna give you simple tasks. With the Amazon Mechanical Turk platform, you can earn money every day by completing what they call HITs or human intelligence tasks. The more of these you complete, the more money you stand to make. These businesses partner with Amazon Mechanical Turk and then submit these tests onto this website. You simply have to look through the list of small gigs, accept the ones you like, submit them, and you get paid via cash or Amazon gift cards. Getting started with this is really simple. All you have to do is to go to mturk.com, come over here and click on the button that says Get Started. And that will then take you to this page right here. Click this one that says Request a Worker Account and you will be immediately referred to sign in with your Amazon account or create one if you do not have one already. And as soon as you sign up on this platform, you have to wait for at least 48 hours to get approved. Then you immediately get access to your account to start accepting gigs and completing them immediately. And this right here is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the far left over here, you're gonna see the dates. And here you're going to see exactly how many HITs you've submitted so far. On the next column, you're going to see how many of those HITs actually got approved, because not all will get approved. In the very next column, you're going to find how many of those got rejected. And on the far right over here, you're going to find out how much you made on these HITs in total. So this tells you exactly how much you could make depending on how many of these you're taking. And right over here, you can see exactly how much is in your balance. It's about $238. You can transfer this straight into your PayPal account or to an Amazon gift card if you do not have PayPal in your country. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know what payment method you prefer. And I'll try to make videos about that as well. Now, right below that, you're gonna have your earnings to date. Here it's about $3,435. So this tells you how much you can make in the long run on Amazon Mechanical Turk. And from here, you can go ahead and start accepting work and making money as you take these HITs. A simple trick is to stick to the highest paying HITs so that you're not wasting time with tasks that do not pay much at all. And the top one on our list, we have an app called Prolific. Now this one pays you to do research on your smartphone. In this app you're gonna find a lot of research gigs that will pay you. And like the rest of the apps that we talked about in this video so far, it is super easy to get into. The website has been endorsed by the University of Oxford, Stanford, and even the World Bank. So obviously, you have nothing to worry about here. What they basically do is they find people in a bunch of different categories and demographics to do research and find answers to questions that can help improve businesses all over the world. And to actually get started making money on this platform, what you want to do is to scroll back to the top of the page right here and click on sign up to research. Next is you're going to be presented with two options, which is take studies or run research. You want to select the first one, which actually pays you to take part in engaging research. So click on this and proceed to the sign up process so that they can actually verify you. And that way, you can begin taking part in their research and start getting paid. With this website alone, you could be making a couple $100s per week doing really simple research on your smartphone. And if you use all the apps we just talked about in this video, you could be well on your way to earning over $1,000 every single week in no time. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover an easy YouTube trick to make money online just by watching videos.